Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to Ash's Collectibles. So today I'll be unboxing some mini GT. I'm gonna make this a quick video. I just got the shipment in, and I'm pretty excited to find out what's in it. Cause I ordered them from Whatnot a while ago, and I just forgot to open them. So yeah, there's gonna be some mini GT in it. Oh wow, that's quite a few. Yeah, the guy who was selling on Whatnot, he was selling out his collection and was just he was bundling and selling it as one lot. So I got all of them for like free shipping, and I got like a really good deal. Probably ended up paying around like $9 per item. So here we have the Shelby GT500 Dragon, and then a Lincoln. The details on that look amazing. The decals, wow. Oh, a Porsche. I love myself some Porsches. I collect Porsche Hot Wheels. So it's a Taycan Turbo S in red. Limited one of 2,400. Limited one of 3,960. Let's see what we have here. The last two. Oh, a Go foil. That's so cool. I'm so excited to see that. I think he gave this to me for free. I did not order that. It's a green light. Go foil. That's nice of him. This is the first time I was actually buying from him, so a Ford Mustang GT Special Edition Golf green light. And then finally a Bugatti Chiron. Limited one of 4,200. So let's all go through the everything. Let's go through the whole thing again. So here we have the Ford Mustang GT, the Shelby GT500, Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Oh, the wheels look nice. They're made of rubber, and the whole thing is metal. So Mini GT makes some really good cars. Like once I started collecting mini GTs, like I really kind of slowed down on getting Hot Wheel premiums. And Bugatti Chiron. Oh, it looks so majestic in yellow. Look at those tail lights. And then finally, this is my favorite of the whole bunch. Just because of the decals, it looks so nice. The racing rivalry here. It's a class winner. Let's see what's underneath that sticker, because I wanna know what this exactly is. Carrera Pan Americana class winner. Lincoln Capri 149. Oh, that's cool. The number of this. The Mini GT number 149. Has the same decal over here. Well, thanks for joining in for a little. I wanted to unbox my shipment that I just came across with y'all. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed it. I got 5 mini GTs here. Oh, 4 mini GTs and one he just threw it in for free. So shout out to that seller. Um, that was really nice of him. And yeah, like I was telling earlier, like he was selling it as 2 for $20. Not even 22 for like 18 or 17. So I was like, let me get it, because like mini GTs, man, they look really cool. Like they're worth the price. Well, I hope you all have if you like this video, just leave a like, a comment, and please subscribe. But yeah, I hope you all have fun. See you all in the next video. Peace.